Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your body when you eat for eggs every single day? Because what you're about to discover isn't just surprising. It exposes decades of myths, misinformation, and flat-out lies we've been told about one of the most misunderstood foods on Earth. And by the time you hear the final benefit, you'll never look at an egg the same way again. Despite the fear, despite the cholesterol panic, despite half a century of confusion, eggs are one of the most powerful and complete foods ever created. And today, I'm going to take you inside your body and show you exactly what 4 eggs a day actually do to your energy, metabolism, brain, eyesight, hormones, and more. Stay with me, because the last few effects are the ones no one ever explains. But first, the question everyone asks: won't eating eggs every day raise my cholesterol? Let's clear this up once and for all. The answer is no, it never did. This entire fear was built on a shaky, outdated study from the 1960s that was later proven wrong. Here's what modern science actually reveals. Your liver makes most of your cholesterol. When you eat cholesterol-rich foods, like eggs, your liver simply makes less. It's a self-regulating system. In fact, for most people, eating eggs often increases HDL, your good cholesterol. It also tends to change your LDL particles from small and dense, which are dangerous, to large and fluffy, which are far less of a concern. Your triglycerides, the real villains when it comes to heart health, often improve as well. So, let us be clear. Eggs do not create the kind of cholesterol profile linked to heart disease. They actually promote a safer, healthier one. If that shocks you, the next part will amaze you. Let's talk about the protein that your body uses perfectly. Most protein foods, like chicken, beef, or fish, are made of dense, tight muscle fibers. Your body has to work hard to break them down. But an egg is different. An egg isn't built for movement. It's built to create life. It contains every single component needed to build a living organism from scratch. That's why egg protein has the highest biological value of any natural food. Here's what that means in simple terms. For beef, about 75 to 80% of its protein is usable by your body. For fish, it's around 80 to 85%. Chicken is about 79%. But eggs, they are 100% usable. Nothing is wasted. Every single gram of protein goes toward faster muscle repair, stronger ligaments and tendons, better hormone production, enhanced immunity, and healthier skin and connective tissues. If you've been recovering slowly, feeling weak, or dragging through your workouts, eggs can fix that with incredible efficiency. But now comes the twist. The secret fuel advantage, hidden in egg yolks. Most people think of eggs as just a protein source, but they are also a unique and powerful energy source. Lean meats might offer only 10 to 20% of their mass as usable energy. But with eggs, a massive 65% of their content can be converted into fuel for your body. This means fewer energy crashes throughout the day, longer-lasting fullness, steadier blood sugar, and sharper mental focus. This is precisely why a breakfast of eggs keeps you full and satisfied for 4 to 6 hours, while a bowl of cereal can leave you hungry in just one. It's also why eggs are a weight loss secret weapon. But let's dig deeper inside the egg, starting with the whites. Egg whites aren't just a blob of protein. They are nature's antibacterial shield. They were designed to protect the vulnerable yolk from bacteria in the environment. They contain powerful enzymes that destroy harmful bacteria, proteins that block bacterial growth, molecules that bind up iron so pathogens can't use it, and compounds that neutralize unwanted microbes. And what about that old myth that raw egg whites cause a biotin deficiency? This is only a risk if you drink them raw in huge amounts. Cooking completely destroys the compound responsible for this effect. So, with cooked eggs, there is zero risk. Now, for the real muscle secret, inside every egg is a powerful amino acid called leucine. Think of leucine as the master switch for muscle building. When leucine enters your cells after a meal or a workout, it instantly turns on the muscle repair and building process. No, leucine means slow recovery. Lots of leucine means rapid rebuilding. And eggs are absolutely packed with it. If you lift weights, walk daily, exercise, or if you're over 40, when muscle loss naturally accelerates. Eating 4 eggs a day can dramatically support your muscle retention, strength, metabolism, mobility, and recovery. The truth is simple. The more muscle you protect as you age, the longer and stronger your life becomes. Now let's move to one of the most important benefits that few people ever explain. Eggs support a master repair process in your body called methylation. Eggs are rich in choline, natural B12, and folate. Together, these nutrients fuel this vital internal process. Think of methylation as your body's high-level maintenance team. It handles everything from DNA repair and detoxification to producing brain chemicals, creating energy, controlling inflammation, and protecting your liver. Here's the craziest part. Up to 40% of adults have a genetic weakness in their methylation process and they don't even know it. Eggs directly support and help repair this weakness. This is why so many people who start eating eggs regularly report clearer thinking, sharper memory, a better mood, improved liver function, and more consistent energy. Eggs aren't just food, they are a biological upgrade. Next, let's talk about your eyes. Inside the yolk are two rare antioxidants called lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients act like internal sunglasses for your eyes. They filter damaging UV rays from the sun, they block harmful blue light from screens, they protect your retina, and they can slow age-related vision decline while sharpening your night vision. If you stare at a computer screen all day, drive at night, or spend a lot of time outdoors, eggs are quietly protecting your eyesight every single day. Now for your brain. Your brain is built from delicate membranes made of something called phospholipids, and guess what? Egg yolks are loaded with them. This is why eggs have been shown to improve memory, focus, learning, mood, and overall mental clarity. They help your brain stay sharp at any age. Eggs also hide a treasure trove of vitamins that most people don't even realize they need. They're loaded with vitamin K2, which helps guide calcium into your bones and teeth, not into your arteries where it can cause problems. They have real vitamin A, known as retinol, which boosts immunity and skin health. And they contain vitamin D, which is crucial for stabilizing your mood, hormones, and bone strength. Very few foods can match this incredible nutrient density. So, with all these benefits, which eggs should you actually buy? Let's decode the labels you see at the store. Caged means the hens are in the worst environment, which often results in the lowest quality eggs. Cage-free sounds better, but the hens are often still in a crowded indoor space. Pasture-raised is the best option. These hens have outdoor access, a more natural diet, and are generally healthier. Organic is also good, but it refers to the feed they are given, not necessarily their living conditions. The ultimate choice, pasture-raised and organic. But look, if money is tight, just eat regular eggs. They are still far healthier for you than cereal, pastries, or other packaged breakfast foods. Finally, what should you eat with your eggs to get the most benefit? There are some powerful synergies. Pairing eggs with arugula allows the fats in the yolk to boost the absorption of arugula's antioxidants by up to 9 times. Adding onions supports your liver's detoxification pathways. A little black pepper improves the absorption of the carotenoids in the yolk. Cooked tomatoes provide lycopene for heart and prostate support. And adding avocado helps stabilize your energy even more and adds extra healthy fats. Cooking your eggs with olive oil or butter is also a great choice. These combinations literally multiply the nutritional impact. So, here's the final takeaway. If eggs fit your budget and your body tolerates them well, eating up to 4 per day is one of the simplest, most affordable ways to support your muscles, your brain, your hormones, your metabolism, and your long-term health. And now that you understand the true power of what eggs do inside your body, your next video is critical, because when you combine eggs with milk, something incredible happens. Your bones, hormones, and metabolism can transform in ways most people never hear about. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more.